Okay, friends, if you haven't already done it, I highly recommend that you download Zoom Cloud Meetings from Self-Service. After the app has installed, you're going to see this screen when you open up the app icon. You need to first sign in before you can join one of our meetings. So I'm going to go ahead and tap Sign In. And you guys are going to use your Google account, so you're going to tap on Google. And you want to go ahead and hit Continue here and then select your account. Now you're ready to join a meeting. Go to the assignment where the meeting information is posted and tap on the link. It will open up Zoom for you and launch the meeting. Go ahead and allow access to the camera and microphone if prompted. Lastly, make sure you join the meeting with video at least a couple minutes before we're going to start.